Good day, everyone. I am Idol Singito, taking up Bachelor of Science in Electronics and Communications Engineering. So, Chapter 1 is all about introductions to engineering research. I am tasked to discuss the Chapter 1.1 Why Engineering Research. So, what is engineering research? It is concerned with the discovery and systematic conceptual structuring of knowledge. Engineers develop, design, or construct and operate devices, structures, machines, and systems of economic and societal value. So basically, engineering research seeks improvements in the theory and practice in the fields such as, for example, high-speed computation, bioengineering, earthquake prediction, power systems, nanotechnology, and construction. So here are the example of engineering research. First, in a study on the performance of leader election algorithms in mobile sensor network, Mamon Raman and Motalek, 2008, extensively studied problems in mobile sensor networks. So, in their study, they implemented an extended idea of an existing leader elections algorithm for energy saving to arbitrary topological changes. Another example is that Haki, Hassan, and Rahman 2008 describe in their paper entitled Design, Constructions, and Testing of a Hybrid Solar Room Heating System. So they developed solar room heating systems in the utilizations of renewable energy, where solar energy is converted to heat energy and transported to the target room or space to be conditioned. So let's go back to the questions. Why engineering research? So the disciplines of engineering are all described as the applications of science to realistic systems which benefit humankind. So engineering research follows the exact same scientific methodology, but it is focused on applying science to real-world goods, services, and infrastructures. So the main objectives of engineering research is to benefit humankind and make living easier and better. First and foremost, scientists and engineers have different goals. Scientists seek to describe and understand the natural world. Engineers consider various criteria and constraints in order to design solutions to problems, needs, and wants that better the lives of humans, animals, and/or the environment. So how does engineering research differ from research in science? Here are the objectives to be followed in order to consider it an engineering research. First is that the research must be applied to human systems. Second, the research must yield practical outcomes. The third one is that the research must yield outcomes which benefit humanity. So to sum the first three objectives, it should be beneficial to human and the practicality should be applied for the improvement of living. The fourth one is that the research must be ethically based. Another is that the research should consider environmental outcomes. And lastly, the research must be based on standard industry based testing. So engineering research are constrained by quite formal codes of ethics. Every discipline of engineering has a code of ethics covering engineering practice in one or more different countries. The codes should influence how the research is conducted and ensures that the outcomes are improvements to humankind through improved environmental outcomes and minimal risk to users of technology. So in particular, the concept of economical engineering design must be balanced with the aspects of the fail-safe and understanding of materials and proper reliability. So in many cases, these aspects are inherent in the research design. But good engineering research outcomes will require independent verifications of not only the research itself, but also the applicability of systems designed from these research outcomes. So, in this, Clearly, scientific research and engineering are not mutually exclusive. All medical science is directly related to improving the human conditions through medical practice. Other human-related fields, for example, physiology, pharmacy, dentistry, psychology, and education, etc., also have sound outcomes relevant to improving the human conditions. Similarly, many engineers engage in purely scientific research to test ideas with the long term aim of finding solutions to the practical implementations problems associated with research outcomes. So, in summary, as opposed to the scientific research, engineering research is not concerned with discovering how the world works, but instead with how things can function for a given purpose. So such research might involve scientific study. However, engineers work to create design solutions to real-world problems. That's all, and thank you.